how do projects afford certain types of engagement while constraining others? Again, thinking back to the question that Katie Henry posed is like, when are variables a problem in your life? That affords more types of engagement than simply asking, like, how can you create a game that allows you to keep score or has physics or whatever? Still engages with variables, but it's in a much more narrow or constrained approach than a more open one where it's like, how are variables a problem in your life? Every single project you engage with is going to have some kind of an affordance and some kind of a constraint. That's just something we have to understand and live with. Just like the idea that there's always going to be a null curriculum. You can't teach everything in any kind of narrow topic. And just like you can't experience everything when you are engaging in some kind of a project. While some projects might afford or enable or encourage more options for students to engage with than others, they're still going to be constrained in some way. So it's important to think through that and whether or not you're okay with that, or if you could make some slight modifications to make it so that instead of it being constrained in one area, it's actually in an affordance with a simple modification. This excerpt of the CSK8 podcast is from episode number 194, which is titled Bringing Curriculum to Life: Enacting Project-Based Learning in Computer Science Programs. You can listen to the full episode as well as hundreds more by searching for the CSK8 podcast or by simply going to jaredoleary.com.